I am in front of Costa Atlantico Hotel in north part of Tenerife. It's actually my first time here in north part. I usually stay in the south. So far, it looks amazing. Like this area is beautiful. It's really stunning, and I'm going to check in this hotel. Hopefully, it's going to be that good as well. It is actually four-star hotel, and it is part of Melieha Group. I don't think I ever stay in this change before, so I don't really know what I should expect or not, but I know like standard here in Tenerife. So let's check in and explore this hotel.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
I am already in our room. It is a double room and I will show you everything. Let's start with a bathroom. It's straight away here. Nice sink. Okay. Toilet and a bidet. And we have shower here. We have shower gel and shampoo over there. Okay, let's continue to the room. Nice bed. Fancy mirror over there. We have full length mirror here. A wardrobe. You actually need to pay for a safe. I believe it's €4 per day, or it might be for stay. Yeah. Some broken floor. It's nice, but it's dated. We don't have any coffee machine, any glasses here, which is kinda strange. A TV over there. Some sitting space. And a balcony. We can see some part of the ocean. It is actually good location of this hotel, but you need to pay for a parking, which I never ever experienced in Tenerife before, but everything is first time. So it's actually 18 euros per day. So it's kind of expensive if you stay here for 7 nights. You can actually park like 15 minutes away and it's free, but it's up to you if you want to make it more convenient. You can park here, but it's kind of expensive. Kids pool and a swimming pool over here. It's good size, plenty of space. You will get a towel here if you want. It's free. You can reserve a Bali bed if you want. And they also do have a bar here outside. You can either sit here or take your drink with you.
Oh, yo descanso para el día de mañana, el domingo salgo a vacaciones.
It's actually really quiet. I really like it. It's so relaxed. Water in a pool is heated. It's not like 27 degrees, definitely not. It's maybe like 24 or something. It's good. It's really nice. This is a spa and a gym. You need to actually pay for a spa. It's 18 euros. Small gym, but yeah, nice view. And here on the top floor, it's a spa. It's closed now because it's really early. It's like a jacuzzi. It's nice actually. It's 14 floors, so definitely will have a nice view. I already checked out from Sol Costa Atlantic Hotel here in Puerto de la Cruz. Where can I start? It should be 4-star hotel, but I don't really think so. There are like some standards which are normal for a 4-star hotel, for example, water in your room, but it's not the case here. We actually paid approximately 150 pounds per night with breakfast and dinner for 2 adults. Room was really simple, nothing special. I really like location near to everything. Food was alright, but my main issue was with the room. No kettle, no like any amenities like coffee, tea, or something, and the water. That's absolutely like I stay and so many hotels, so many 4-star hotels, and you should have water there. But yeah, it is what it is. Would I stay here again? No. I think you can definitely get better value for your money somewhere else in Tenerife. So definitely this is not a hotel for me. Also, you need to pay for a spa. It's not like a huge amount, 18 euros, but again, it's just for 90 minutes. You have one pool there, one jacuzzi, and that's it. Nothing special. So I don't mind to actually pay for spa, but at least if would be like for 3 hours or like for a whole day, or like with something special. Anyway, that's it for today. Stay tuned, take care, and see you later.